It is sometimes necessary to change the carriage start point to account for longer thread lengths or shorter pieces of material. This is controlled by two stops. The stop on the top bar is in charge of bringing the stock stop down in front of the die head. The stop on the trip rod is accountable for cocking the die head. It is necessary to maintain the relationship between these two stops so that the die head cocks as the stock stop arm comes into place. I find the easiest way to control this adjustment is to first cock the die head and then allow the carriage to move forward slightly to relieve the spring tension in the stock stop rod. Once you've done that, you can see that the stop that controls the cocking of the die head sits just behind the stop that controls the stock stop arm. So when we move these forward or back, we'll need to maintain that relationship. I'm going to start by using a simple scale to gauge the position of my two stops relative to each other. I'm just going to eyeball it. I'll grab my 1/4 inch Allen and loosen the stops. You can now move the stops forward or backwards to adjust the carriage start position. In this case, I'm looking to achieve a longer thread length, so I'm going to move the starting position back. Tighten the top stop first. Just start by eyeballing the bottom stop and getting it semi-snug. Again, I'm going to use my flat scale to gauge the position. Looks like I was pretty lucky with the first try. We can then check to make sure we've maintained the proper relationship between the stops by advancing the carriage forward until the die head trips open, and then bringing the carriage backwards, taking care to notice that the die head is cocking as the stock stop arm falls into place. Everything appears to be working correctly.